The ZGR Artificial Grass Turf, measuring 12 feet by 45 feet, offers a realistic synthetic landscape, making it a perfect solution for both indoor and outdoor spaces. The artificial grass features a natural-looking 20mm pile made from straight polyethylene and curled polypropylene yarns, offering a soft touch while maintaining resilience. With a long-lasting 2-layer rubber backing designed with drainage holes, the turf is suitable for high-traffic areas and ensures water will not pool. The UV-protected turf grass is safe, non-toxic, and friendly for children and pets, requiring only occasional rinsing with water for maintenance. The ZGR Artificial Grass Turf is low maintenance, freeing you from regular gardening tasks such as watering and fertilizing, and helps reduce carbon emissions by eliminating the need for lawn mowers. Customizable in sizes ranging from 3 to 13 feet in width and 3 to 82 feet in length, the turf can be easily integrated into various landscapes, but care should be taken to avoid exposure to high temperatures as the plastic material may heat up.